Welcome to Quarter 3, Week 9 of Mathematics 7. I am Teacher Agnes, your math teacher for today. The most essential learning competency for this week is solves problems involving sides and angles of a polygon. In our previous lesson, we discussed how to construct different kinds of polygons. This time, let us explore more on polygons and how to solve problems involving sides and angles of a polygon. The word polygon is a Greek word. Poly means many and gon means angles, made up of 3 or more straight line segments. There are exactly 2 sides that meet at a vertex. The sides do not cross each other. How do we use polygons in our daily life? The most common way that we use polygons is with street signs. For example, could you imagine not having street signs? Instead of telling someone to turn left on Union Street in order to get to Magnet, you would probably say something, turn left once you pass 2 houses from the park. They would probably get lost. When solving a problem involving sides and angles of a polygon, it is important to read the question carefully and note down all the key information. Find the connection between the number of sides, number of diagonals, and the number of triangles of a polygon. Work in a step-by-step manner. Finally, check at the end if all the numbers add up properly. Now, let us have an example. My father is planning to make a flower stand that has a base of regular hexagon. At what angle should he cut the lumber to frame the base? How can we help him? First, we have to understand the problem. The given problem is, at what angle should the father cut the lumber to frame the base? The given value in the problem is a flower stand that has a base of a regular hexagon. Second, let us devise a plan. What can be applied to the given problem? Third, carry out the plan. Now we can try solving the problem. All we need to do is place the information indicated in the problem. Follow the step-by-step rule. Let us move on with a more complicated problem. A convex octagon has exterior angles that measure 44 degrees, 52 degrees, 65 degrees, 42 degrees, 38 degrees, 45 degrees, and 50 degrees. What is the measure of the exterior angle of the 8th vertex? The given information in the problem are the exterior angles of a convex polygon. The measures of the angles are 44 degrees, 52 degrees, 65 degrees, 42 degrees, 38 degrees, 45 degrees, and 50 degrees. The problem given is, what is the measure of the exterior angle of the 8th vertex? What operations are to be used? Addition and subtraction. The sum of the measures of the exterior angles, one at each vertex, of a convex polygon is 360 degrees. Let us try to solve the given problem. First, let us represent the 8th vertex as x. Equate the problem in terms of the sum of the measures of the exterior angles, which is equal to 360 degrees. Substitute the values given to the formula, then solve. To check, try to add up the numbers if they are equal to 360 degrees. Did you come up with the same answer? Now, let's take a look at your text. Here is an example of a learner solving word problem involving sides and angles of a polygon, and a reflection of today's lessons.
Wow! Thank God for this kind of TV show. Now, I can easily deal with the learning tasks in my module. Okay. First, let me analyze the problem and solve by following the step-by-step rules. Learning Task 1. Find the sum of the measure of the interior angles of a regular dodecagon. Step 1. Understand the problem. What is as? Find the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a regular dodecagon. What are the given values? The given values are the number of sides of a regular dodecagon, which is equals to 12. Step 2. Devise a plan. What operations are to be used? The operations to be used are subtraction and multiplication. Therefore, we have S is equals to the quantity of n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Step 3. Carry out the plan. Solution. S is equals to the quantity of n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Substitute the value of n, which is equals to 12. Therefore, we have 12 minus 2 is equals to 10. 10 times 180 degrees is equals to 1,800 degrees. Therefore, the value of S is equals to 1,800 degrees. Check your answer. S is equals to the quantity of n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Next step is substitute the value of S. Therefore, we have 1,800 degrees is equals to the quantity of n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Next step is to multiply the quantity of n minus 2 and 180 degrees. We have 1,800 degrees is equals to 180 degrees n minus 360 degrees. Next step is to combine similar terms. We have 1,800 degrees plus 360 degrees is equals to 180 degrees n. Find the sum of 1,800 degrees and 360 degrees. We have 2,160 degrees is equals to 180 degrees n. Divide both sides by 180 degrees. Therefore, the value of n is equals to 12. Yes, I'm done with learning task 1. So easy. Since I'm done with the first learning task, I can easily work with the other learning tasks. Today, I learned how to solve word problems involving sides and angles of a polygon with use of the given rules. I just need to try more word problems to get better.
That's all for now. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye!